What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, there's been a lot that has been revealed, at the Madlanga Commission by General Kumalo, and finally, General Sibia is in a tight corner right now, and I really don't know how this guy is going to come out of this. So, you do know that Shadrach Sibia is involved in almost a lot of things, and even in the sense of Meiwa trial, General Sivia's name is even there. He was the first person at the Kumalo house. Now, people have been asking, about the 121 dockets that were taken away from KZN, where the home, of the Kumalos is at. And people, were saying most likely, there was a warrant of arrest for Kelly Kumalo in those 121 dockets there, most likely having been shielded by General Sevilla and stuff. So these are just people, talking and talking. So the investigation is still going on, because what is making it difficult at the moment, is that it was actually revealed last week, that General Sevilla prefers cash, his money to be paid in cash. Bushiri came in, he revealed, that we paid in cash. Yesterday, General Kumalo showed a video, of a subordinate of Sevilla receiving a white bag, which is not that heavy. So there was an insinuation, that there was money inside that white bag. Now, these things, are getting a lot interesting. So the question, is when is Kilikumalo going to testify or maybe even be arrested? Everything, like the entire stake is going to most probably fall, when General Sibia is maybe convicted or something like that. That guy is the one who is holding all the keys to the Maywa trial. I'll catch you guys on the next one.